have finished in the last class factors, and about factors I have explained, and about rules of divisibility, and I asked you to do the exercise 4.8. So I hope you have finished it. So today I will explain you about prime number and composite number. So prime number are those numbers which have only two factors. So as I have written the definitions, number more than one that have only two factors are called prime number. So 2. So factors means we can find two factors of 2. See 2 one time 2 only. We don't have any more numbers. Okay. Then 3 also same. 3 one time 3. So we don't have any more factors. 5 also same like 5 one time 5. So some more prime numbers are there. So I gave you only 3 examples. Then we have composite number. So number more than one that have more than two factors are called composite numbers. So as I gave, I wrote example 4 and 6. So 4 has 2 times 4 and 4 1 times 4. So you can see here 4 1 times 4 and 2 times 4. You can see 1, 2 and 3 factors. So these are the 3 factors of 4. So when we go to this prime number, we will see only 2 1 times 2. So these are only 2 factors of 2. So prime number has only 2 factors and composite number has more than 2 factors. Here we have 3 factors. Other number, maybe when you get the larger number, then it will have more factors. If you turn to page number 63, so you can see there primes between 1 and 100. So here how to find the prime numbers between 1 and 100. So you can see here, okay, there is a theory, you can say this is called sieve of Arith. His idea how to find the prime number. So first of all, you can see there is a blue color area. So you read there, then you will understand. So I will do for you. You can try at home. Okay, write the numbers from 1 to 100 like this. After that, we'll see the procedure. See here, cross 1 as it is neither prime nor composite. So we know that 1 is not a prime number and not a composite number. So leave 2 as a prime number but cross out all the multiples of 2. So we know that as I gave you the definition of prime number, and I told you there that 2 is a prime number because it has only 2 factors. So 2 is a prime number. So first prime number is 2. Now we will cut all the multiples of 2, or we can skip like jumping like 2 by 2. Okay. So 2, then 4 we will cut it. Okay. 2 is the first prime number. Then we will cut the multiple of 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, then 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. So these all are, whatever I have crossed, these are not prime numbers. So first prime number is 2. So the next prime number is 3, because 3 has only 2 factors. Now again we'll cut the multiples of 3. So 3, if you count by 3, 1, 2, 3, it's already cut. 1, 2, 3. So we have to cut this again. 1, 2, 3. It's cut again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's cut. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like this we have to cut. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So these are, so whatever I have crossed, these are not a prime number. Then again, so next prime number we got 5. So 5 has only 2 factors. Likewise, we will cut the multiple of 5. Okay. So I will not go on. So this you try at home. So 5. First, we will count the multiples of 5, then again 7, the multiples of 7, like that. When we will finish, then we got the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, you can turn to page number 64. You can see prime factorization. Okay, there are two methods. The first method is begin with the smallest prime factor. So always start with the smallest prime factor. If we can multiply that number, or if you can find the factors of that number. So I have taken a number, it's a composite number 20. So 2 is the smallest prime number. So we can see 2 10 times 20. So this 2 will remain same. We will not change it and we will not stop writing it. We will extend it writing. And this 10 will find out the next factors of this 10. And 2 is again the smallest. 2 5 times 10. Okay, so these are last. We cannot make it. We don't have more prime numbers. So 2 is the prime number. This is another 2. Then 5. These are the prime numbers of 20, or you can say prime factors of 20. Okay. So more factors are also there. You can see 20. You can say 4 5 times also 20. Okay. But at last you will get the same factors. You can see here 20. If you write 4 5 times 20. Okay. The 5 will remain same because it's a prime number, and 2 we can make it smaller. So 2 times 4. So we got the same factors. So whether you start with the smallest prime number, or this is the first method and this is the second method. You can see second method. You can see it doesn't matter which 2 factors you start with, you will always end up with the same prime factor. Any number you can start, if you can factorize the number, if you can find the multiples of this number, but at last you will get the same answer. Okay. Now we will go to exercise 4a. Okay. So use any method you prefer to prime factorize these composite numbers. So already I showed you how to do prime factorization method, how to find the prime factorization. I showed you the factorization factor tree method. Okay, this one I have shown you. Or you can do like this also, short division method. Okay. So 51 is a composite number. So we have to find out the prime factors. Okay. So 3 one time. So 3. So 2 left. Okay. 21 it becomes. Then 3 7 times 21. So factors of 51 equals to 3 and 17. So you write factors of 15, 3 into 17. Or you can find the factors like this, 3 17 times 51. So this is factor tree method. And at last you can write like this same. Okay. So one I did for you. The remaining, how many are the B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This all you will do yourself. Okay. And question number 2. Okay. Question number 2. I'll not write the question for you. You can read it from the book. See, write the prime factorization. If the number is already prime, write the word prime number. So 61 is the first question. Question number 1A, 61. So 61 is a prime number. So you will write prime number. So if you don't get the factors, if it is already a prime number, then you will write like this prime number. If it is not a prime number, then find the factors like this and solve it. Same like number 1. Okay, thank you.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourselves, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. हम होंगे कामयाब. Jai Hind.